Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from hoopyloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. Today I have a very beautiful crochet sunflower coaster pattern for you, and for this project I have used a 4-ply acrylic yarn and a crochet hook of size 3mm. So let's begin. At first we will make the magic circle, so loop the yarn around your finger in this manner and insert your hook below the first loop and draw the second loop from below, and then yarn over and draw the yarn through the loop, and the magic circle is ready. First we will do a chain 3. This chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round, and then in the magic circle we will be doing 11 double crochet stitches. So in total, taking the first chain 3 as a double crochet, we are doing 12 double crochets in this first round. So we will quickly complete this round. And meet you at the end of the 12th double crochet. Okay? When all the 12 double crochets are done, just pull the tail of the magic circle and close the magic circle, and we will complete this round by forming a circle. So for that we will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, and the first round ended. We will now begin the round 2. So for that we will do a chain 3, and as usual this chain 3 is the first double crochet of this round. We will do one double crochet in the same stitch, that is the third chain of the first chain 3 of the first round. Okay, so we did 2 double crochets in this particular chain, then yarn over, and in the following stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches. Again in the next stitch also we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, and in this manner we will be doing 2 double crochets in each of the following stitches. So a total of 24 double crochet stitches in this second round, and we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. We will begin the round 3 with a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. Then yarn over, and in the next stitch we will do 2 double crochet stitches. Then in the following stitch we will do 1 double crochet stitch, and in the next stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches. And this is the pattern of this third round. That is, in the next stitch we will do 1 double crochet, and in the following stitch 2 double crochet stitches. And we will repeat this pattern throughout this round, and this third round will contain a total of 36 double crochet stitches. And it's completed. We will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and cut the yarn and pull out the loop. And the interior central portion of the sunflower is done. Now we will be doing a color change for the petals of the sunflower. For that I have taken a slightly orangish yellow colored yarn and made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. We will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of the previous round. And then we will do a chain 3. This is the first double crochet stitch of this round. After that we will do a chain 1 for the space. In the following stitch we will do 1 single crochet stitch, followed by a chain 1. In the next stitch we will do 1 double crochet stitch, followed by a chain 2. So this is the pattern, that is, in the next stitch we will do one double crochet stitch followed by a chain 1. In the next stitch we will do one single crochet stitch followed by a chain 1, and in the following stitch we will do one double crochet stitch followed by a chain 2, and we will repeat the pattern, the same pattern. Okay, let me show this to you again. In the following stitch we will do one double crochet followed by a chain 1. In the next stitch a single crochet stitch followed by a chain 1, and in the following stitch one double crochet stitch followed by chain 2, and repeat this pattern throughout this round, okay, till the end of this round. We will quickly complete this round and it's done. After the last single crochet stitch followed by a chain 1, in the next stitch we will do one double crochet stitch and then a chain 2. After that we will slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, okay, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn, okay, and this fourth round is also completed. We will now do the last round with the yellow colored yarn. I had already made a slip knot and inserted the hook in it. Just slip stitch in any chain 2 space of the previous round and just do a slip stitch there at first, and then we will do a chain 3, which is the first double crochet stitch of this round, and then in the same chain 2 space we will be doing 3 double crochet stitches. So a set of 4 double crochet stitches in this chain 2 space, okay, and then we will be doing a chain 1. In the following single crochet stitch we will be doing one single crochet followed by a chain 1, and then in the next chain 2 space we will be doing 4 double crochet stitches then we will do a chain 3 picot. So for that we will do a chain 3 and then slip stitch in that particular double crochet stitch from the top, from where we began the chain 3, okay, just do a slip stitch there, and with this the chain 3 picot is done. In the same chain 2 space we will be doing 4 double crochet stitches. Done. After that we will be doing a chain 1 followed by a single crochet stitch in the next single crochet stitch, and again a chain 1. Then in the next chain 2 space we will repeat the pattern, that is, we will do 4 double crochet stitches followed by a chain 3 picot, and then 4 double crochet stitches in the same chain 2 space, and then we will do a chain 1. We will do a chain 1 followed by 1 single crochet stitch in the following single crochet, and then 1 chain 1. Okay, and we will repeat the same pattern again, that is in the chain 2 spaces, 4 double crochets followed by chain 3 picot and 4 double crochets. So we have nearly completed this round, and we are left with the last chain 2 space, and there we will be doing 4 double crochet stitches, followed by a chain 3 picot, and again 4 double crochet stitches in the same chain 2 space. Okay, and then we will be doing a chain 1. In the following single crochet stitch we will be doing 1 single crochet followed by a chain 1, and then in the first chain 2 space where you began, just do 4 double crochets there, followed by a chain 3 picot, and we will complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round, followed by a chain 1, and we will cut the yarn, and our pattern is now completed. We will weave in the loose ends and cut out the extra yarns, and with this our sunflower coaster is completely ready and very beautiful. Isn't this looking very beautiful? I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries. Also mention if you want to see any other tutorials. I would love to make those for you. I have a website at www.hooktailloops.com. You will get my free written patterns there. I will add the written pattern for this coaster very soon in my website, so stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.